welcome back. I'm Melissa with Belle the Bath. Today we're working on our fourth mystery soap in the mystery soap collection. The fragrance I'm using today has notes of lime, orange, pineapple. I'm using 2 colorants and I'm going to do a gradient, put on an angle from dark to light, and then I'm going to do a little kind of like a drop swirl on top. Run a hanger tool through it. This is a design that I actually saw through the Soap Club challenge. I will link all the information below. I can't exactly remember the lady's name who did this design, but I thought it was fitting for this particular soap. I will link her information down below so that she is recognized. I want to see if you guys can guess what this soap is based on the colors and the fragrance notes that I've just described. Comment down below with the soap name, and also I haven't had anyone yet to comment what they think the theme for this mystery collection is. You can go back and watch the first 3 videos. I will also link those below so you can watch them in order and get a feel for the names of the soap that have come out already. I'm gonna jump right into this, so let's get started. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. My returning subscribers. I guess I shouldn't call you subscribers. You guys are family now. You've hung out with me long enough. To everyone who's new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy the content. And don't forget, leave us a comment and let us know you were here. Okay, this glitter is really, really pretty. It has a red hue to it. And I think it is going to be dazzling on top of this. Oh, yeah, that is beautiful. That color, wow. It is definitely a red glitter. Woohoo! That is gorgeous, y'all. We're a little heavy-handed there. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. Any guesses? The colors we used in our soap were red and black. The fragrance may not give anything away, but remember, it had those fruity elements. And then the glitter that we put on top is very purposeful, and it shows up red. All right, any guesses, any guesses? Y'all go ahead, leave your comments down below. If you haven't seen the other soap making videos in the mystery soap collection, please go back and watch those. Leave us a comment, let us know that you were here and that you watched the video. And don't forget to subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Belle of the Bath everywhere. Okay, we'll be back for the cut, 10 to 12 hours. We're back for the cutting. We've already unmolded, and it looks beautiful. Let me see, I'll pick it up again and see. Maybe I can get a close shot. I don't know if you can see the red hue of that glitter. It might not show up on this camera too well. Again, I did take some pictures that I'll upload to Facebook and Instagram. That should hopefully show it off a little bit better. I kind of peeked at the ends of the loaf, and it looks like the design turned out, so let's see. All right, are you guys ready to see the inside? Da 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 da. Get them all separated. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! That is gorgeous. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, that's amazing. Sorry, I'm kind of bending my wrist at a weird angle, but look at that. Y'all, those are gorgeous. Don't those look amazing, y'all? It looks like a fiery swirl in there. It's just awesome. Yeah, I love that. That turned out really, really well. Come back this way. There we go. Boom. And that glitter on top. This camera just does not do it justice. It has a red tint to it. So it's super, super beautiful. Looks like a red sparkle on top. I mean, it kind of looks pink, but you know. Oh, these are gorgeous, y'all. It looks like flames. It's just amazing. This is exactly what I was looking for when I was researching what the heck I was going to do for this particular soap. I was it was an excruciating process, let's say that, without it being novelty. Yeah, it was tough for me to figure this one out. I had the colors planned out and the fragrance, which actually wound up changing last minute. But the design, like I had a picture of what I wanted to happen, and I just like, I wasn't sure. I don't know if I hadn't fully realized the look I was going for. I just knew that I wanted it to be different and not novelty. And again, you guys will understand once the name of the soap is guessed or I've told you. You will completely understand why I keep saying I didn't want to go the novelty route on this. Oh man. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so in love with these bars. It turned out actually better. It turned out better than I imagined. I'm gonna set a few of these up here so you guys can get a final peek at them. This might be a shot for my YouTube thumbnail. Hee hee hee. I know I'm all up in the way. I'm sorry, y'all. But what do you guys think? Like, do y'all like this design? Without even knowing what, you know, what it's for, what it stands for. How do you like that design? You just think it's like the most badass soap you've ever seen? I love it. Okie dokie. Well, we're done with this soap video and the cutting. I will see you guys back for the next soap, which will be coming very shortly after this one. Not going to be as long this time. And remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Belle of the Bath. Tag us. Hashtag Belle of the Bath. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and our content. And hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time we do an upload. You'll get a little notification that says, hey, Belle of the Bath just uploaded a video. And you can go and watch it right then so you don't have to wait or search for it. Okay, guys, I'm going to get off here and on to the next soap. I will see you guys later. Love y'all.